Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to talk about make Ubuntu 22.10 look like macOS. Myself Mohammad Zubair and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, to make your Ubuntu look like macOS, there are some things that you need in your system. So first of all, you should open your terminal and update your system. So I'll just write here sudo space apt space update so that I can have all the latest update for my Ubuntu. After I'm done with the update, I'll upgrade that as well because there are chances that there are some packages that need an upgrade. After we are done with the update, we'll install some of the utilities or you can say some programs. So let's wait for the update to complete and then we'll move ahead towards the upgrade. We are done with the update and as you can see we have 3 packages that can be upgraded. So I'll write here sudo space apt space upgrade and just hit enter and you are good to go. We are almost done with the update and upgrade of our system and now let's clear our terminal and the first thing that I'm going to download is Gnome tweaks. Command for that is sudo space apt space install space gnome -tweaks. Well, this is a small program or a utility that will help you to customize your Ubuntu into macOS. You surely need this one, so make sure to download and install it. And after that, we need shell extensions. Command for that is sudo space apt space install space gnome -shell extension -manager and after that just hit enter. After we are done with these installation, I'll show to you that how they look like. Press Y and hit enter. The last thing that we need to install is git. So I write here sudo space apt space install space git. Well, basically we'll use git to download different extensions for our Ubuntu to make it look like macOS. We are done here with the git installation and now let's open our Mozilla Firefox and in that we'll search for Whitesur theme for our macOS. So I'll just write here Whitesur GTK theme and let's see what do we get. Well, make sure to click on the link that is for the GitHub. I'll just click on that one. Here it is. Just click on this code button and copy this link. After that, go back to your terminal and here I'll go to my downloads directory first and then I'll write here git space clone space and here we need to paste the link. After that, just hit enter. What it will do, it will download this particular theme for us into our downloads directory. We are done here with the download and now if I ls here we have Whitesur GTK theme. So I'll simply cd here and hit enter and if I ls here you can see I have install.sh file which is right here. And if you go to the documentation of this particular GTK theme, here you can see we have different flags that we can use along with its installation instruction. In case if you want to install all of the themes, you just need to use -t space all command and down here you have different other options. Just head to this page and you will see all the information in here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write /install space -t space all space -N space glassy because I want to have a glassy look. Hit enter. This will take a little bit of time to install all the themes in my Ubuntu. So let's wait for it and then we'll move ahead. We are done with the installation and there is one more file that we need to run and that is tweak.sh. After that, give it a space and use the flag as -g and hit enter. We are done with this one as well. And now it's time to download icon pack for our macOS into our Ubuntu. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to search for Whitesur space icon theme and after that hit enter. Here we have link for GitHub, just click on it once again and from here click on this code icon and from here just copy this link. After that head back to your terminal and from here we'll go back to our downloads directory and I'll write here git space clone and I'll paste the link that I have just copied. Hit enter. It will download the icon theme pack for my Ubuntu and then we'll install it. We are done with the download and now if I ls here, you will see we have 2 folders, Whitesur icon theme and Whitesur GTK theme. I'll go into Whitesur icon theme. So I'll write here cd space Whitesur hyphen icon themes, hit enter. If you ls here, you will see we have a file as install.sh. We'll run this file. Just hit enter and you are good to go. It will again take a little bit of time to install the icon themes into your Ubuntu, and after that we'll install our GTK theme and our icon themes as well. We are done here with the installation, and now it's time to open our Gnome tweaks that we installed at the start of this video. So I'll just search for tweaks. Here it is. I'll just open this one and go to your appearance section. From here, in front of your icons, just click on this drop down arrow. Here you can see we have Whitesur. I'll just go with the simple of them, and after that, in terms of legacy applications, I'll click on this drop down list, and from here if you see we have all the Whitesur themes that are available in here. I'll go with the Whitesur Lite. I'll just click on it and you will see that my legacy application will change into something with macOS. As you can see in here, we are left with one thing in here, and that is we need to shift these title bars onto the left side. So go to your Windows title bars and click on left and you are good to go. After that, I'll go back to the appearance section, and in terms of my shell, I'll just click on it. Here you can see we cannot change the themes for our shell. Why is that so? Well, for that purpose, we need to install some extension, and that is user theme. So this time I look for extension in my system. I'll just open that one. This is extension manager, mind you, because this was the one we installed at the start of this video. From here, we'll download an extension named as user theme. So here it is. Just click on install and again click on install, and now we'll be able to use third-party extensions into our Ubuntu, whatever they are. And that was the reason why in front of our shell we had this icon. Now we need to close our Gnome tweaks and reopen it in order for it to work. So I'll just search for tweaks one more time. Here it is. And now if I go into my appearance section, here you can see now we do not have any problem. Click on the list and from here select any as per your liking. I'll go with the Whitesur Lite because we are going with the Lite theme throughout our system. And now you can see we have everything changed in here. So I'll just close my tweaks, and now we need to download macOS cursor. So for that purpose, I'll just write here macOS cursor Gnome look. This will take us to the Gnome look website, and from there we'll download macOS cursor set. Just click on it and it will give us a file to download. Here it is. Just go to its file section, and from here download this file that says macOS cursor set.zip. From here I'll just scroll it towards the right side and I'll click on this download button. From here, after the download, we need to extract this file. We are done with the download. Let's open our files. Let's go to our downloads directory. Here we have our macOS cursor. I'll right click on it and I'll click on extract. This will extract it here. Now just copy or cut this particular folder. After that, go to your home directory, and from here click on this three dot icon and click on show hidden files. Here we need to create a folder with the name of .icons. So what I'll do here, I'll right click here and click on new folder, and I'll name it as .icons and I'll hit enter. In this folder, we need to paste the folder that we have just extracted. Here it is. So we are done with this one as well. So now I'll just close this one, and now we need to open our Gnome tweaks one more time. So I'll just search for tweaks in my system. Here it is. I'll just open that one, and again I'll go to appearance, and in front of cursor I'll just click on this list. And here we have macOS cursor set. Well, you might not see a lot of difference, but on the time of loading you will see this icon onto the screen. So basically this was the reason we downloaded macOS cursor set. So we are done with this one as well, and now we are left with the fonts. So for that purpose, we need to download fonts of macOS for our Ubuntu. So again, we need to close our Gnome tweaks and we need to head to our Mozilla Firefox web browser. The fonts that I'm going to download is SF Pro Regular. So I'll write here SF Pro Regular font GitHub and hit enter. It will give you the link of GitHub repository to download this particular font. Here we have. So I'll just click on this one and let's open our GitHub repository. Here we have all the fonts that are available. Either you can select any one of these, or you can click on this code button to download all of these. I'll select one of them and I'm going with SF Pro Display Regular ubuntu22.10.otf. I'll just click on this one and let's download it. To download it, just click on this download button and we are good to go. So we need to open our files one more time and let's install this particular fonts into our Ubuntu. Now I'll open my downloads directory. Here is my font. I'll just double click on it and it will be opened into our fonts application. Here it is, and this is how it looks like. And now just click on this install button and we'll be able to install this font into our Ubuntu. And after that, we need to open our Gnome tweaks one more time so that we can install this font into our system. So let's wait for the installation to get complete. As this installation gets complete, let's download a wallpaper for our Ubuntu. So I'll just search for MacOS Big Sur wallpaper and let's download one as per our liking. It will give you a lot of links. You can follow any one of these. So I'll just scroll down and here we have macOS Big Sur 4K wallpapers. Here you can see this is a macOS. I'll just go with this one, so I'll just click on it. And from here, I'll click on this download wallpaper button. The download process has just started and we are done. And now let's change our wallpaper. So I'll right click onto my desktop and I'll click on display settings, or you can click on change background as well. It will open the system setting for us. Here it is. So at the moment we do not have the wallpaper available that we downloaded. Just click on add picture button and go to your downloads directory from here. Here we have our wallpaper that we just downloaded. Double click on it and it has been added in here. Just click on it to set it as your background wallpaper and you are good to go. Let me close my settings. Let's close our browser because we do not need it anymore. And this is how it looks like now, as you can see. And now it more looks like Mac OS. But still there are some things that we need to do. We are done with the installation of our fonts as well. So let's close this one and let's open our Gnome tweaks one more time. Here it is. Let's open this one. And this time we'll install our fonts into our Ubuntu. Here it is. Just go to your font section and here it says interface text. Just click on the list and from here search for SF Space Pro. And here we have 4 of them. Just go with the one as per your liking. I'll go with the first one. Click on select. And this font will be applied throughout our system. And now you can see we have Mac OS fonts into our Ubuntu. And now let's close this one. And there are some extensions that are left that we need to install. So for that purpose, this time I look for extension manager. Here it is. I'll just open this one. So I'll go to my browse section and the first extension that I'm going to install is Fripri. So I'll write here Fripri and let's see what do we get. So here we have Fripri application menu. I'll just click on install and let's install this extension. We are done with this one, and after that we need to install one more, and that is Compiz Windows effect or a like magic lamp effect. What it will do? Well, let me just show you. Just click on install button and let's install it. And let me open any of these files or any of the applications from here. I'll open my files. And now if I minimize this one, you will see there is an effect whenever we open or close this particular application or any application for the matter. So this is what this extension do. After that, we need to install one more extension, and that is dash to dock. Just search for it. Here it is. We'll install this one. And what it will do, it will shift our dock at the bottom. Just click on install button. And this is exactly looking like Mac OS. After that, there are many other extensions that you can install. But I think we are done with everything that was needed to be done in order to get the best look as Mac OS for our Ubuntu 22.10. We have all the fonts like that, we have interface like that, background, and even the icons are looking like Mac OS operating system. At the end, I'll just show you that how our system looks like on the lock screen. And this is how it looks like on the lock screen. So this is exactly like Mac OS. So that was all about this video, and this is how you can make your Ubuntu 22.10 look like Mac OS. I hope now that you must have liked and learned a lot of new things by watching this video. If that is the case, please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next video, take care.